Hello to all my people from Facebook, YouTube. We got this 2003 Buick Century, and today we're performing ignition lock cylinder replacement. I just wanna to make this quick video, like I said, to show you where the lock cylinder it's located. It's located right here where the key goes. As you see, this one is already out. We're about to install the new one in there, and first thing we gotta do is we gotta stick this case back on there. This is the first thing that goes in there, the little casing. Once you put this in there, everything just go in there smooth. See, just put that in there, and then you can put the initial switch on there easy. See, right there, that's the new lock cylinder in place. We're about to continue with the installation. I just wanted to show you what we just did. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and keep calling us for work. I know a lot of people is calling us for work. 832-618-7291 through YouTube. 832-618-7291 for my people in Houston.